Everything begins with impact. The metal is transforming, a part takes shape. This operation, repeated millions of times, feeds machines, buildings, and entire networks. But before energy, before movement, there is stamping. Here at Beaumont-le-Roger, every part matters, and every second is orchestrated. Each year, over 3,700 tons of raw materials are transformed. Steel, brass, copper, bronze, bimetal, stainless steel, 81 million silver rivets inserted, 3,000 kilograms of silver wire welded with precision. With 12 presses and 2 degreasing machines, this high-performance workshop served high-precision manufacturing. The result, 385 million of parts are produced per year, spread over 420 references. Our specific technologies make the difference. Assembly inside our tools, for example the spring blade or other complex stamping operations, precision welding, bimetal assembly for thermal functions, and insertion of millions of silver rivets. But what do all these parts serve? Many of them are used in the manufacturing of contactors, like this automatic switch. When it receives a signal, it closes or opens an electrical circuit. This motion is possible thanks to these essential parts produced here. At the heart of our operations stands a conductor, the scheduling team leader. Their role? Anticipate, plan, synchronize. They bridge strategy and action, data and decisions. The transformation of scheduling starts with the team leaders, bringing meaning to collective action in synergy with complementary roles. The setter prepares and optimizes the press while ensuring the conformity of the parts. The flying inspector checks in real-time the quality on the line. The developer is a key player in continuous improvement and work closely with support functions. Thanks to digital tools LDS, Quasar, real-time management supervision, and tracking changeover power apps, each part is tracked and every indicator is followed. And the results are clear. Downtime is reduced, hours are saved, the quality is managed, and the traceability is complete, all thanks to the digital range deployed across the entire site. The stamping department is above all a human adventure. Our team of 50 collaborators, including permanent staff and temporary workers, is involved, trained, and connected. And what about tomorrow? New investments, new tools, a shared ambition to go further together. Because here, in Beaumont-le-Roger, we do not endure change, we build it. Schneider Electric is an industry in motion where the people are at the heart of performance.